We actually have been underallocated to industrial for a bit, and we're looking to continue to place bets there selectively.
Most capital is focused on two sectors, industrial and multifamily. And in both cases, the future looks good, but the present is a little bit soggy, where vacancies are higher than usual. Industrial, you've had muted rental rate growth. The question is that immediate or is it medium term? I think most people today expect that to be medium term.
Given the types of returns our clients are looking for, they're focused on cash. They are fine being an all equity play. They're looking for intergenerational wealth. We're trying to find things that people want to hold on for the long term, that are durable. In this market, not surprisingly, that pushes you to multifamily and industrial.
I think kind of retail and industrial now go hand in hand a little bit, given the way retail has evolved with e-commerce over the last several years. Although industrial won't, you're not going to see the 30-40% returns out of industrial, we don't think anytime soon again. You are, I think, going to continue to see stable growth.
We do think within industrial there's an opportunity within the manufacturing space. Those assets tend to be a little smaller. They're somewhat less attractive to institutional capital. The advantages are tenants have normally made a huge investment into the space. So even if the tenant isn't investment grade, the cost for them to leave that space would be high because they'd have to really forfeit the value of their improvements that are largely built into the space. Very hard to move. So we're deploying capital in that space, and we're debating how best to attract other capital. We've had positive feedback so far.
The medium term looks very positive. You have demographic growth. You have a lack of supply coming. In the next year or two, there'll be a real cutoff of the supply. And that should mean really good rental growth in the next 3 to 4 years. So I think smart capital is looking at that and trying to talk to operators and developers that they can align themselves with and get ahead of that cycle and start to make investments in both multifamily and industrial in development.
Long term, you look on onshoring, more manufacturing, and we're not buying sweater manufacturing plants. We're buying, electronic parts, medical manufacturing, food processing. One was a nut processing plant.